Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see the tags on GetContact app. So if you want to see the tags on GetContact app and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GetContact app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the GetContact app, and if you have not signed up like me, then you just need to sign up using the option which is sign in with Apple, or click on the option of other option, and here you'll see the option of sign in with Google, sign in with email, or all other things. So click on it, select the option which you think is good for you. So I'm simply selected Apple ID, and from here it verifies my Face ID. Now you just need to enter your phone number and country code. So select the country where you are from. So I'm from Nepal, so I'll simply select the country and I'll simply enter the number, and after that it opens WhatsApp on your device and it has been verified. So as you can see, the phone number has been verified of my GetContact app. So if you like to receive notifications, click on the option of allow. So you may simply skip all of it. So this is the home page of GetContact app, where you'll see various options at the very bottom taskbar as well as various things at the very upper taskbar. Now to see the tags, click on the option of your profile icon, click on the option of menu at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option which is my tags. Now you can see it from the home screen if that is directly visible, and you'll see the list of the names or the labels that others have saved your number. For example, plumber zone, spam, Dr. Alex, or all of the things. So currently there is one hashtag, that is hashtag Sanket, so that's my name and someone has saved it as my name. And so that's it. That's how you can see the tags on GetContact app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.